Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a product catalog on Facebook. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Facebook Ads Manager. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in. Once you're on the dashboard, click on All Tools, then select Business Settings. From there, navigate to Data Sources and click on Catalogs. Next, hit the Add button and choose Create New Catalog, then click Continue. Now give your catalog a name and click Next. After that, connect your Meta Pixel so you can track conversions, then click Next again. You'll then need to assign someone from your business to manage the catalog. Select the person, click Assign, and proceed by clicking Next. At this point, you'll choose how you want to add your products. You can either connect a data feed for automatic updates or upload items manually. If you go with a data feed, you can use a URL, Google Sheets, or upload a file from your computer. For manual uploads, download Facebook's template, fill in your product details, and upload it back. Finally, name your product set, select your currency, and click Upload. And that's it. Your Facebook product catalog is now ready. This will make it much easier to manage your products and run more effective ad campaigns. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials.